Welcome guys, this is Data/Fun YouTube channel. Today we will see how to install Anaconda Navigator and introduction of Jupyter Notebook. Anaconda Navigator is very nice tool for data scientist. It contains all R language and Python language like Spider interface for writing a Python code, R Studio for writing R language code, and the Jupyter Notebook is for writing a Python code. Very nice toolkit for data scientists. For that, please guys subscribe this YouTube channel for getting latest update in data science and press the bell icon for getting latest video notification. And our video will be published on every Saturday, Sunday. So by pressing bell icon, you will get notification on every Saturday and Sunday. And please share this video with your friends also. They can get valuable knowledge. Let's see how to install Anaconda Navigator. First, you need to go on this website www.anaconda.com/download/. From this website you can see here download Anaconda distribution, and below here there are two options. First is Python version 3.7, second is Python 2.7 version. I suggest go with Python 3.7 version. If your laptop having configuration 64-bit, then press this link and install this version 64-bit. If your laptop having 32-bit configuration, then install this link 32-bit graphic installer. I already installed this. I already download this link in my laptop. That's why I'm open this link, and this link is saved in my download folder. See, this is a link of Anaconda installer. By pressing double click on this, it will be set up and verify installer. After verification, it will give some options. Just read carefully these messages and press next, and you will easily install this Anaconda. So very straightforward process. Just press next, and read carefully the message. I already installing. That's why I'm showing how it will be look like after installing. After installing, check in your program files. For Anaconda, search for Anaconda. So you can see here there are two options. I already installed this Anaconda 2 times, that's why it's showing 2 times. Just press on Anaconda Navigator and it will be showing here this type of window. So you can see here there are lots of options. This is R Studio for writing a R language code. This is Jupyter Spider for writing a Python code, and this is Jupyter window. We will see the introduction of Jupyter window. Press on launch. Press double click on launch, and the Jupyter will be open in your browser. So Jupyter will be open like this. This is a home page of Jupyter, and it will be showing here the options, the files in my laptop, document, desktop. And here is the option new. If you want to create new folder, then here is the option, and here is option for writing a Python code, Julia code. Julia is one of the language for data scientists for doing data analytics. I'm pressing on Python 3. New window will be open like this. So if you want to change the notebook name, then press on this untitled 4 and give any name, trial 1. So name will be changed, and in file you can save this notebook, rename this notebook, and open new notebook, open new Julia notebook. By edit option you can copy paste cell. What is a cell? This is a cell. You can see here this is a cell. By pressing Alt plus enter, the new cell will be entered. In view you can toggle the header, toggle the toolbar, and by insert you can insert above or below cell. If you want to run specific cell, then here is option. If you want to shut down this page, then here is option. Shut down kernel, restart kernel, interrupt kernel. If you want to save this type of weights, then here is option. Clear notebook, download weight state and embedded weights. If you have any problem, if you want to some help, then here is a help option. Markdown help, IPython, NumPy help. It will be showing in by pressing this help. It will be give the help of specific NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib. Very nice interface of Jupyter. Here is a direct option for save, adding new cell here, for cut selected cell, then copy, then paste, run option here, interrupt kernel option here, restart kernel option. So there are many more options. I'm just starting the coding. You can use Python as a calculator also. I'm writing 3 plus 5, shift plus enter, and it will be give the result. Then I want to print something. So it will be print hello Sujit. And here is one option, very nice option, I like it. Here is a markdown option. If you want to create some report, then can do by the selecting markdown, press 4 times hash sign and give any title to your code. And shift plus enter. So it will be automatically create a title for your code. Very nice option in Markdown. I write here only one hash, that's why it giving font size large than above. Here is 4 hash signs, that's why its size is less than this line. So hope you guys understand, and please install this Anaconda toolkit in your laptop and start coding, because it's very nice to any data scientist. All the tool in one interface, like this Anaconda navigator. Here is the orange also for data visualization. So there are so many options for the data analytics. And this is a Jupyter notebook. Just try some operations in your Jupyter notebook, so you will get the idea about how it works and how to program. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any challenges in installing or this Jupyter notebook, then please write on this video, and please subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.